Okay. Now, yeah, if you could rest, I can hold it and then. All right, so now that we got the dash out, next we're gonna get this HVAC box out of here. This is something I have not done yet, so it's all gonna be new to me. In the video, I did mention to take out those two bolts, which I thought was for the dash, but that's actually for the HVAC box. So that's already done. And then let me look around and see what bolts we have. One thing you'll also need to make sure of is having your AC system properly discharged and completely emptied. I have a AC machine at my shop, so I was able to do it with that. But if not, you'll need to have this properly evacuated, because you can't just release this stuff into the air. I mean, you can, but you're really not supposed to. That stuff's not good to breathe in, and it's not good for the environment. So make sure you get this properly evacuated. So you're gonna need to get these AC ports here unhooked. Those are both 13 millimeters. So go ahead and get those two nuts taken off. Next, go ahead and unhook both your heater hoses. Mine were already unhooked. Well, not hooked up to here, but it was bypassed because it was thought that the heater core was going bad. So go ahead and unhook those two hoses right there. And let's go ahead and get that 10 millimeter out. And that should be it. Now the heater box feels to be coming out pretty well. Just take note, be careful of not ruining that. I would suggest replacing it anyways. I've got some stuff, some foam to replace it with. And then be careful of these. I could not get them out while they were in place. So, you know, just be careful with those. And then let's get this sucker pulled out. So make sure that gets pulled out of the carpet right there. This one right here. And I think that's it. Oh, mine. I couldn't get the bottom heater hose clamp off, so I'm just going to pull the heater hose through the compartment. And there we go. Got her out. That was awesome. Heck yeah.